Professional filmmakers and professional videographers use different focal lengths when they're filming videos and films. Find out why in today's video. Hey, what's up? It's Chris from Brooker Films, and in today's video we're talking about focal lengths and the importance of using different focal lengths when you're making your videos. So first up, you're probably wondering, what is focal length? Focal length corresponds with the number on your lens. So if you've got a 50mm lens, then your focal length is 50. If you've got a 24 to 105mm lens, then your focal length can range from 24 all the way up to 105, and then you have to pick what focal length that you're going to use. Now, when you're filming a video and you're planning a shot, it's super important to understand your focal length and understand how each different focal length will manipulate your image. If you film people on different focal lengths, and you'll notice that they look different in every single shot. Their face is being warped by the lens. Now, if we film somebody at a focal length of around 24, then you'll notice that the face looks quite skinny. If we increase our focal length to 50mm, then you'll notice that the face starts to round out. And if we go to higher numbers like 100, then you'll notice that the face is filled out even more. An extreme example of this is when you're filming on a GoPro, switch to super view mode and film a close-up of somebody's face. You'll notice that the GoPro really distorts their face and really makes them look unflattering. So I guess the important question here is, what focal length should I use when I'm filming people? And my answer is that depends entirely on what you're filming. If you're filming a music video or a fashion video and you want your actor or your talent to appear really flattering on video, then I would recommend using a focal length of around 50mm. I've been fortunate enough to work on hundreds of video shoots throughout my career, and the one thing that everybody seems to say is that the camera puts on 10 pounds, and this doesn't have to be true. If you're using higher focal lengths, then yes, this is true. The higher the number, the more distortion you're going to add into the scene, and the fuller the face is going to get. So if you want to try and get perfect, really beautiful, flattering images of people, then I would seriously recommend using a focal length of around 50mm. Thank you for watching this video. I really do truly appreciate it, and if you haven't yet, then please consider subscribing to see regular filmmaking and photography tutorials, Q&As, rate your photography videos. I've got a lot coming up on this channel, so make sure that you subscribe so that you don't miss out. Once again, thank you for watching. I really do truly appreciate it. I hope you're having the most incredible day today. I will see you on the next video.